Assalamu alaikum and Ramadan Kareem. Welcome back to Zara Handicrafts. Today's video is a Ramadan calendar. I used these metal pieces from Dollar Tree. They gave me an idea of a mask. I painted it with the white paint. Then I draw two masks with different sizes. I folded a part of the paper to draw a mask. Then I cut it. I want two sizes of a mask. I used two types of paper. One of them was a plain and the other one has a gold and white dotted design. For the white paper, I traced the big mask pattern. And for the gold and white paper, I traced the small mask pattern. Then I glued the small mask on the top of the white mask. To make it look better, I used the gold marker which is from Walmart, to trace the frames. After that, I punched the top of the mask. I used this metal number, which is from Dollar Tree, and painted them with gold paint. After they dried, I glued them on these pieces. Now I'm done with them. I cut two small pieces from skewers and painted it with a white paint and glue them on the metal piece. To secure them, I glue them on the back too. Then I started working on the top of the mask, so I traced the top and made a frame with a gold and white paper and glue it on the white foam and cut it. Like that. I added a star and a crescent moon in the middle. Then I glued them at the top of this piece. I used these letters from Walmart. I glued them on the white foam and traced the edge with gold marker and glue it at the top of the hangers. So this is my project for today. If you like my project, please don't forget to press like and subscribe button and leave a comment. It really helps. Thank you for watching. I hope you like my project. See you next time. Thank you so much. Bye.